All right, let's jump right into the basic processes that literally define all life on Earth.
So, how can you really tell if something's alive? What's the biggest giveaway? Let's find out.
Well, the key is movement, but not just walking or running. We're talking about something way smaller. We're talking about those invisible molecular movements inside every single cell. That's where life really happens. So, these essential jobs are what we call life processes. Basically, they're the must-dos for staying alive. We're going to zoom in on four of the most important ones: nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. Okay, first up, nutrition. It all starts with fuel, right? How do living things get their food? So there are basically two main game plans here. Autotrophs make their own food. Heterotrophs find it. Autotrophs are the self-feeders. Think of plants using sunlight to whip up their own meals. Super efficient. And then there's the heterotrophs, or other feeders. That's pretty much us, animals and fungi. So once you have food, how do you actually turn it into usable energy? Great question. That process is called respiration. It's how your cells break down food to release all that energy. And there are two flavors of this: aerobic, which uses oxygen, and anaerobic, which works without it. And as you can see, the main differences are whether they use oxygen and how much energy they release. The whole goal here is to create a molecule called ATP. It's basically the energy cache for all cells. Okay, so we've got energy and nutrients. How do they get delivered around the body? That's where transportation comes in. For us, it's the circulatory system, kind of like a superhighway for the body. You've got three main parts. The heart is the pump, the blood is the delivery truck, and vessels are the roads. Okay, so all these processes make waste. You gotta take out the trash, and that's where excretion comes in. This process gets rid of all that metabolic waste, preventing it from becoming toxic to the body. And here's a cool little fact. For plants, the oxygen that we breathe is actually their waste product. So as you can see, these four processes are all linked together in a continuous cycle of life. But this raises a really fascinating question. If something can't do all of this, like a virus, is it truly alive?